Hey, it's Dr. Sebastian Gonzales. I'm going to show you how to not hurt yourself when doing home improvement. We're going to go over concrete today. Pretty simple stuff. You just want to make sure you have good posture when you're doing all this stuff. So I'm going to either get down via kneel and put all this together, or I could do it standing. Totally your choice. Okay? The important thing with this stuff, and I know it's going to seem very basic, is to make sure you're not putting yourself in compromised positions, because when you do home improvement, you can hurt your back pretty often. Oh, we're already plugged in here. Okay, concrete. Okay, let's get some water. Okay, so we got all of our water in. Stand straight over it. Pretty simple. Okay, so after you're done with the concrete, down responsibly, get to the center, deadlift it up, farmer's carry. Now you can take it to wherever you want to go. If you're interested in more types of videos, how to do home improvement like this, not necessarily how to do it, but actually how to not hurt yourself while trying to do it, then I put a suggested link up on top. We're going to do a little bit of videos correlated to the repair that we're doing on my home.